Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can adjust your backlight time on your Casio Protrek PRG-270 watch. This is module 3415 from Casio. If you've got this watch or if you've ever used a Casio watch before, you know that by default they give you a 1.5 second time value on your backlight. Now some of you might think that's pretty good. Somebody like me, I think it's actually pretty quick. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you what that 1.5 second value looks like. Then I'm going to show you how you can adjust it to 3 seconds. Unfortunately, you only have two options on most of your Casio watches, including this one, either 1.5 seconds or 3 seconds when the backlight turns on before it turns off again. So let me cut off my backlight here. I'm going to turn on the backlight. That's 1.5 seconds. It's definitely enough time to see what current time it is. But if you're trying to look at something like your barometric pressure trend or anything like that, it doesn't give you a whole lot of time. If you want to adjust it, it's very simple. The main thing is you have to be in your main timekeeping mode. You can't be over in your compass or your barometer or your altimeter. Can't be in your stopwatch, timer, anything like that. If you don't know if you're in your main timekeeping mode, you can always press the mode button. It will make a separate beep, assuming you have your ketones on. You can also press and hold the mode button, and that will always take you back to your timekeeping mode. So we know we're in our timekeeping mode. Now we're going to press and hold the top left button, which is the adjust button. You'll hold it for a couple seconds, and this will take you into your settings on the watch. Now we're going to need to press the mode button several times. Each time we press the mode button, it's going to take us to a different setting on the watch that we can adjust. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the 10th time you should get to a screen that says light, and you should see one of two things, either a 1 blinking or a 3 blinking. 1 is 1.5 seconds of backlight time. If you want to change that, you can press the ALTI, your altimeter button, on the bottom right, and it's a simple toggle. You can set it to 3 or you can set it back to 1. Set it to whatever value you want to. Once you've got that value set, we're going to press the adjust button 2 times. 1, 2. That saves and takes us out of our settings, puts us back in our regular timekeeping mode. So now, since I've set my backlight to 3 seconds, that backlight should illuminate a little bit longer than it did before. Again, I'm going to turn off my backlight. We'll take a look at it. You can see it's still rather quick, but at least it's longer than the 1 second value that I had before. Pretty simple stuff. It really works the same as most other Casio watches. As always, I hope the video helps. That's how you adjust your backlight time on the PRG-270 watch. Thanks for watching.